Hallelujah. There we go.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Congratulations, you did good, you did well. Let's do it again. Last seconds of betting time. Newcomers, spectators, welcome first of all. More than welcome to join in. I mean, okay, fair enough. I didn't even notice. There's quite a few number ones out. Yep. In the last 6 rounds, 5 times number 1. Crazy Time 3x. We had a very colorful start. Right now it's getting a little bit blue. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, spicing things up. We got 3rd Crazy Time already. There's only one Crazy Time option on the wheel, and we got it again. And this time though, with 3x. Oh, it's happening! It's happening! Ladies and gentlemen, Crazy Time. Put that 3x, come on. Oh, that's nice. Alright, well guys, even the smallest victory is going to be 3 times bigger. So which flapper? Green, blue, yellow? I mean, last time I pressed the button with the right hand. This time, let's do it with the left. All the power in the left hand. Max multi, 300x.
This is the amount of money issued, 614,456 euros.
Oh, that right there hit the spot. 75x, green and the yellow, 300 on the blue. Sweet. Oh, what a sesh. Oh, what a session. Suey all the way indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the game. Welcome to the Crazy Time.
It's like, you know, the layers of the cake. Yo, everybody, you got another chance to pick a better flapper than the last time. That's right to the team blue. Green and yellow, you good. Best of luck. Anyway, 15 seconds will start now. Yet again, there is also a big feature, just a friendly reminder. To those of you that have a memory like mine, 3-second memory. Hey, guys, you know what? I feel like experimenting. I go with the yellow. Good luck. Well, that happens when I don't pick the green flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit the double bubble. So the green team is still staying on the playing field here. The other 2 flappers, you already get to enjoy the outcomes you have. 200x on this wheel. More doubles? Why? No. Jolly guacamole, guys. The green all the way. Damn, I bet you if I would pick green, that double would happen in the yellow, probably. You have 400x now on the wheel. It goes bigger. It grows larger. Uh-huh. Say what? That's a 3rd double in a row. Crazy stuff. That's what we call this game Crazy Time, guys. It's all about the madness. 800x. 800x is something you could win now. That could be the new best of the day. Imagine. Another double? Wait a moment. Wait, is that Christmas today? I missed a whole year or something? hey, yeah. 1,600 eggs, boys and girls. Can we get more? Can we get more? Do you believe in miracles? As you know, at this point, I already have those.
This is the amount of money issued for 137,412 euros.
Okay, congratulations to everybody who was on the green team. You did absolutely stunningly well. 4,100 went all together, and this is where I am leaving the show, leaving you in the safe hands of my colleague. Ciao, mate.
Ciao, ciao. Whoa, baby! Now, isn't that money, boys and girls? Not bad, not mad. Congratulations, y'all. Let's sit and let's have some fun, baby. Take care. Let's spin it, send it, and live it, baby. Let's get it. Oh, money, baby.
Cash on here on the wheel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta go with me to the cash on. Well, isn't this amazing that we meet here? Look at us, look at us. Let's get really comfortable because we're going to be here for a while. And that is not it. We got a special friend, our special guest of honor, 7x multiplier. Apply to all of the multipliers here. And as you may know, well now, after that 700x. So let's go ahead and get it. But before we do it, everything is going to be shuffled. While that is happening, you can just sit back, relax, prepare the task ahead of you. I feel like you've been thinking about it already, right? But now it is the time where you have to make the choice. Where that 700x. So yes, this time this is indeed the highest multiplier. Where is it hidden? Where could it be? Could it be hiding behind a bunny, behind a bird, behind a cupcake? Whichever icon, the decision is into your own hands.
This is the amount of money issued for 129,825 euros.
To all of the winners, especially to 69 of you who managed to get that 700x. Amazing. And on this very positive note, we're turned to the wheel with 5,692 winners. Amazing job down here. Your betting time is here, newcomers. Hi, how are you doing? How are you feeling? Place your bets. Join a conversation, head down, auto, place it back, relax, however you want to go about this. Good luck. Wishing you the best of luck.
15x multiplied. Jane, would you really rather have a cash on right now and not crazy time? I would much rather have this crazy time. Imagine if we actually get it though. Hold on. I mean, I have to get in a camera for this one. That's, crazy time with a 15x. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest wheel in the world. There we go. You know what? I forgive the wheel for all those numbers we had before. Crazy time with a 15x, ladies and gentlemen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. There we go. Everything will be multiplied by 15x. Hopefully you're ready, dead players. Now we're talking, wheel. Thank you so much. Alright guys, it is your time to make your decisions. Talia saying I don't have a bet. Talia, why not? Talia, why not? What happened? 1,500x, that's going to be the highest multiplier on this wheel. Come on, let's get some doubles. I don't know, whatever that is big. Let's make it happen. Well, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, that's 750x for the yellow, 375x for the green, and that's a double trouble for the blue right there. 3,000x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go with a flow. There we go.
This is the amount of money issued 433,679 euros.
What?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.